Children, today we are going to start new chapter, matrix. Matrix or matrices. Matrices is what? It is just the arrangement of numbers in complete rows and column. What does this mean? Means if we arrange any number in a square or rectangular shape, this arrangement of numbers in this type of enclosed bracket is called matrix. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed by a pair of bracket in horizontal and vertical lines. These lines should be complete. Means if 1, 5, 6 is there and 3, 2, 4 is there, 6 is missing. This column is not complete. So this will not be called a matrix. So matrix is when we have complete rows and complete columns, complete rows and complete columns. This arrangement when enclosed in this type of bracket is called matrix. So suppose A is a matrix. We have 4 numbers here. Here we have 6 numbers. Here we have 6 numbers. So first comes, if this is a matrix, what is the order? Order again we will discuss in the next page. Order means how many rows, how many columns are there, and they are, if it is asked to write the order, so we have to write cross sign between row and column. So how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 row. So 2 rows and how many columns? 1 column, 2 column. So in this case, how many rows are there? Rows are horizontal, First row, second row, third row, 3 rows are there. Then comes column, first column, second column. So the order of this one will be 3 rows and 2 columns. Third comes, how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 row, 2 row are there. First, second and third. Third 3 columns are there. So the order of this one will be 2 by 3. So we call it by 2 by 3 or 2 cross 3. So how many types of matrix are there? So types, this will not be asked, but you should know means how many types of matrix are there. It will not be asked that what is row matrix, what is column matrix. Only this identity matrix will be used and equal matrix will be used in the questions. So what is type of matrix? Row matrix. Row matrix means there is only one row, not the second row. Only one row is there. Suppose 1, 4, 2. Number of column doesn't matter. If there is only one row, it is called a row matrix. If there is only one column, it is called a column matrix. If all the elements in the matrix is 0, it is called a zero matrix. If we have rows and columns equal, means 2 rows, 2 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns, it is called a square matrix. 4 rows, 4 columns. But 4 by 4 is not in your syllabus. Till 3 by 3 you have to do. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means this is called the diagonal and this one is also called diagonal. This is called this way. This is called principal diagonal. So if there are numbers only in the principal diagonal, rest numbers are equal to 0. This is called diagonal matrix. Means there should be some numbers other than 0 and rest all the numbers above and below the principal diagonal. This is called principal diagonal. Above and below the principal diagonal is 0. Then this is called diagonal matrix. Identity matrix means again if all the elements in the principal diagonal, are equal to 1, only 1, and rest are 0, it is called identity or unit matrix. Equal matrix, what? If we have two matrices and all the values are exactly same. 1 square, this is 1, 3 square is 9, 4 and 16. If all the first element is equal to first element, second is equal to second, third is equal to third, fourth is equal to fourth, then they are said to be equal matrix. So order we have done, order of matrix we have done. Next comes equality and transpose of the matrix. What is equal matrix? This we have also done in the last page. If first element is equal to the first element, second is equal to second, third is equal to the third, and the fourth is equal to the fourth. If they are equal, they are said to be exactly equal, then the values will also be equal. A will be equals to 1. See the positioning. This is the first position. This is the first. This second position. First will be equal to, if it is said that this is equal to this matrix, then first element will be equal to the first element. Second will be equal to the second equal element, that is B will be equals to 3, C will be equals to 5, and D equals to 4. Transpose matrix. Transpose matrix means if we are changing the row into column. Suppose this is the matrix 1, 4, 5, 3. So if we are changing this element, suppose how to represent transpose matrix. Transpose matrix is represented by AT or A dash, A and small t and A and small dash. So how to find the transpose? You can see that in the first row we have 1 and 4. So write whatever written in row into the column. This row is changed into column. Same way the second row will be changed into the second column. If we are changing the rows, both the rows should be changed. So if we are changing rows into column, this is called the transpose matrix. So whenever it is asked to find the transpose, just change the rows into column. Next topic we have addition and subtraction of matrix. How to add two matrix? Suppose we have two matrix 1, 4, 5, 3. 2, 6, 8, 0. Remember that the order should be same. This is 2 by 2 order. This is also 2 by 2 order. We cannot add or subtract any value if the order is not same, and that will not be given in the in any of the question. Just for information. So if we have two matrix A equals to 1, 4, 5, 3 and B equals to 2, 6, 8, 0. If we add the first element with the first element, this is called addition. So 1 plus 2, if we are adding 1 A plus B, then we have to write first element in the first place and the element belonging to the second one in the second. If it is asked to write to add B plus A, then we have to write 2 plus 1. You will say that addition will not affect anything, but in subtraction that will affect. A minus B will have different answer and B minus A will have different answer. So if we are adding A plus B, that means 1 plus 2. Second element should be added to the second, that is 4 plus 6. Third should be added to the third element, that is 5 plus 8. And the fourth element should be added to the fourth, 3 plus 0. Add to 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 8 is 13, 3 plus 0 is 3. Now if we are subtracting A minus B, remember first position should be of A, second should be of B. So 1 minus 2, 4 minus 6, 5 minus 8, 3 minus 0. Whatever sign is coming, you have to write it there, like that only. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and 3 minus 0 is 3. Same way we can do B minus A. If we are writing B minus A, then we have to do it like this: 2 minus 1, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 5, and 0 minus 3.